We're KCMM. Hey, Allie, do you know what the T in Unity means yet?
No, Kaylin. Can we see if Fallon knows?
Hello?
Do you know what the T in Unity means yet?
No, I don't. Let's ask Haley.
Hola.
Do you know what the T in Unity means?
Isn't it Tetris? How do y'all not know that?
What?
It definitely doesn't mean that.
Oh wait, I saw a poster about that in the hallway earlier. Let me go check it out. Guys, I found it. It stands for tolerance.
Oh.
Oh!
But what does that mean to us?
Tolerance means accepting and respecting people who are different from you.
That makes much more sense than what Haley said.
Oh, but Tetris is a good game though.
Yeah, that's true.
We're KCMM and that was our skit.